Your trash can is hiding a garden. Think about this. Every single week, you throw away food that could literally grow into more food. Potato peels, herb stems, onion roots, seeds. Most people see scraps. Gardeners see potential. After years of growing food in tiny balconies, backyard beds, and even kitchen windowsills, I realized something powerful. Your grocery bag already contains next season's harvest. Today I'm walking you through kitchen scraps you should never throw away because they regrow into real usable food. Some are instant, some take patience, but all of them cost you nothing. And stay until the end. I'll share one simple habit that doubles your success rate overnight. Let's start with the easiest win. Category 1, the almost instant regrowers. These are beginner-friendly. If you try only one category, start here. Green onions. Cut off the white root ends. Place them in a glass with just enough water to cover the roots. Within 48 to 72 hours, new green shoots appear. Want thicker growth? Transplant into soil after a week. You can harvest multiple times from the same roots. Romaine lettuce and leaf lettuce. Keep the bottom stump, sit it in shallow water, new leaves emerge from the center in a few days. Important, water regrowth is temporary. For real harvest, move it into soil once new leaves are 2 to 3 inches tall. Celery. That thick base you toss, it regrows beautifully. Place it cut side up in shallow water. After a week, you'll see fresh leaves forming. Transplant into compost-rich soil for full stalk development. These 3 alone can keep salads going indefinitely. Category 2, pantry sprouters you should never fear. Ever opened your pantry and found something sprouting? That's not spoilage, that's opportunity. Potatoes. If you see eyes sprouting, cut into chunks, each with 1 to 2 eyes. Let the cut surface dry 24 to 48 hours, then plant 4 inches deep. As plants grow, mound soil around stems, called hilling. That's how you get more potatoes. 1 sprouted potato equals 10 new ones. Sweet potatoes. Suspend half in water using toothpicks. In weeks, leafy slips form. Twist off slips, root them in water, then plant in warm soil. 1 sweet potato can produce 10+ plants. Category 3, flavor bombs from a single clove or root. These are high-value crops. Grocery prices add up fast. Garlic. 1 clove equals 1 full bulb. Plant pointed side up, 2 inches deep. Best planted in fall for big summer bulbs. Bonus, if you grow hardneck types, you'll also harvest garlic scapes. Amazing in stir-fries. Ginger. That knobby piece in your fridge? It's a rhizome. Cut sections with visible buds. Let dry overnight. Plant shallow in warm soil. You can harvest small pieces after 4 months without killing the plant. Turmeric. Grows exactly like ginger but with stunning tropical leaves. Fresh turmeric flavor is far stronger than powdered. These 3 alone can slash your grocery spice budget. Category 4, seeds you're throwing away daily. You don't need seed packets. You already buy seeds every time you cook. Tomatoes. Slice a ripe tomato. Lay slices on soil. Lightly cover. Within 1 to 2 weeks, dozens of seedlings appear. Thin them and transplant. Peppers. Save seeds from bell peppers, jalapenos, chili, etc. Dry 1 to 2 days before planting. Warmth is key. Peppers love heat. Butternut squash and pumpkin. Rinse seeds, dry thoroughly, store until spring. Plant after frost in rich soil with lots of space. 1 squash gives you an entire row of plants. Watermelon. Same method. Rinse, dry, plant in warm soil. Growing watermelon from a barbecue seed is wildly satisfying. Category 5, fruit scraps that become trees. These take patience, but the payoff is worth it. Avocado. Suspend the pit over water.
Root emerges first, then stem. Once 6 inches tall, transplant into soil. Even if it takes years to fruit, it makes a stunning indoor plant. Pineapple. Twist off the leafy top, remove lower leaves, let dry 1 day. Root in water or plant directly in sandy soil. Yes, it takes 2+ years, but watching a pineapple form in a pot, unreal.
Category 6. Herb multipliers, unlimited supply mode. Herbs are expensive in stores, ridiculously easy to regrow. Basil. Cut 4-inch stems, remove lower leaves, place in water. Roots form in 7 to 10 days. Pinch tops often to keep bushy. Mint. Roots in water within days. Warning: always grow in a pot. Mint spreads aggressively in gardens. Cilantro. Roots like basil, but prefers cooler temperatures. Bonus: when it bolts, it produces coriander seeds. 1 herb purchase can turn into a season-long supply. Category 7. Asian market gold mines. If you shop at international markets, you're sitting on regrowth treasures. Lemongrass. Look for stalks with intact base. Place in water until roots form, then transplant. Perfect for soups, curries, tea. Bok choy. Save the base, regrow in water, then soil. Fast, cool season crop. Fennel. Keep the bulb base. Regrows delicate fronds in days. Few people save this, which makes you your secret advantage. Category 8. Root tops that give more than you expect. These won't regrow full roots, but they're far from useless. Carrot tops. Place the top inch in shallow water. You'll get edible greens. Let mature fully, and they produce seeds for next season. Beet tops. Same process. Beet greens are nutrient-dense and delicious sautéed. So even if the root doesn't return, you still win. Category 9. The water rule that changes everything. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They let scraps sit in dirty, stagnant water. That leads to rot. Here's the fix. Change water daily, or at least every other day. Keep only the roots submerged, not the entire base. Use clean glass containers. Provide bright, indirect light. Optional boost: add 1 drop of liquid seaweed fertilizer when changing water. Fresh water equals oxygen. Oxygen equals healthy roots. Healthy roots equals successful regrowth. This one habit can double your success rate. The mindset shift. This isn't just about saving money. It's about control. When you regrow scraps, something shifts. You stop seeing waste. You start seeing cycles. You realize food isn't disposable, it's renewable. And that mindset changes everything about how you garden. Final thoughts. Start with 1. Don't try all 25 at once. Pick just 1. Maybe green onions, maybe a sprouted potato, maybe a simple basil stem in a glass of water. Start small. Watch it regrow. Feel that quiet moment where you realize, wait, I actually grew this. Because once you experience that, you'll never look at kitchen scraps the same way again. And if today's video helped you even a little, the next one will take it even further. Click Watch Next to see how even dying plants came back to life and discover 8 free microbe liquids that can supercharge your garden naturally. These are simple, low-effort methods anyone can use. And don't forget to subscribe for practical, real-world gardening tips that actually work.